Welcome to another TD Engine video, and today we're going to be talking about AI-assisted operational analytics and how you can take advantage of them with TD Engine. Okay, navigate over to your asset tree, but before you do that, make sure that you follow the guide on how to install TD Engine's latest all-in-one package. Alright, we're going to pick a random element, and the first AI-assisted operational insight is directly on the element level. In the general section, I can get a general analysis of my element. That includes the structure and the hierarchy that it's a part of, its attributes, and if it had child elements, even analysis on that. And you can even have a follow-up conversation. So the insights are provided for you, baked into the platform. Okay. Now, what about for my visualizations? Can I get insights on those? And the answer is yes. So you can also get these general analysis on all of the panels that you've created, showing you recommendations on what else you can build, making it really, really easy. And once again, you'll navigate over to this general analysis button. You can also get them on the individual panel level, right? So let's view this panel. I can click this button and get general analysis on the individual panel, making it easy for me to understand every visualization that I create. And I can even have some follow-ups and download a report of what I just generated. How cool is that? Now going back, if I want to get this same kind of general analysis on my attributes, I could do that as well. Similarly, same button, and the same summary is provided for me here. Okay. Now, you could do that for every single section. So, for instance, I could go to dashboards and also get AI-assisted analysis on the dashboard, right? So, you're finding operational insights on every part of your system, and it's baked right in. So, you don't even specifically need to ask a question. Just hop in and get some analysis. Okay. Now, one thing I think is really cool is the AI-assisted operational insights on events. So here are all the events I have. And similarly, I can also do that for all of the events. But one thing I think is really cool, and right here it gives me the overview, child element analysis, some recommendations. But I can also get this when I throw my events on a trend. So let's throw a couple of my events on a trend. I'm going to pick a few and just add them to this trend. Let's do that. So I have a couple events here added to my trend. We're going to let them show up. And after I add all of these different events, I can click Panel Insights here and get these insights on an event graph as well. So these aren't limited to just the built-in portions. Even for the event frames that you'll generate, you can have AI-assisted operational analytics. It's a great way for you to find correlation, causality, recommendations, and some root cause analysis, and even find the additional questions that you want to ask from this data. For instance, I could find this fact right here. And I can ask it follow-up questions based on this singular fact to the rest of the trend. And it brings up the past 7 days of this tubing pressure, and it gives me some historical statistical summary, and I can use this to ask specific follow-up questions or even allow the AI to generate those. TD Engine bakes this into every part of the platform, meaning you will always have an AI copilot to help you out and to provide you with the best operational insights. Thank you.